Dan was able to help me navigate the job market as to where I will be best suited. And that is one of the biggest things that I didn't know that I needed. And Dan was able to kind of direct me to a direction on where I wanted to be. And I'm heading in that direction now because I was able to bring my skills to this role right now that I've always wanted in Meta. And I'm already making massive strides in making a massive impact on the developer operations business that I'm in.
So I had no clue about the Irish markets, Irish employers, the CVs. It was a daunting job for me. Though I was a qualified chartered accountant, had immense rich experience, but I was completely lost in the Irish market and I had no clue how the CV looks like, how's my LinkedIn profile, and just no clue how to search jobs, what employers look at when they're looking at the CV. So I think I got the right person at the right time because straight after coming in, someone gave me reference of Dan at the TCC, and soon we got associated with each other, and he really boosted my confidence and he completely revamped my CV.
I did my MBA here, and having had a lot of experience in the field of finance, I was struggling to really bag a job, and I got to know about Dan and the TCC team through a friend. God bless him, because Dan sorted out my life completely, because my CV was not really getting picked up by recruiters. I had only rejections because I was not really following a template that the Irish market always offered. And without the interactions with the team, I would not have ever known that what employers really need from the candidates. So even if I had a large experience, I was still struggling. The reason was the template was not correct from my end.